Also, let's go ahead and do, just go ahead and do another 3-axis operation real quick. Okay, so there's a 3-axis operation, and let's go ahead and simulate that. Let's turn that off, turn the stock on. Let's run that again. Okay, so there's our in-process stock model. What you can do is you can sort of like start over. You can delete the in-process stock that you already have defined by going to the Program tab, Stock, Remove Simulations. And so it removes the simulations that you performed. It removed the horizontal roughing simulation and reverted back to the stock model before you machined it.